Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Safari not loading web pages on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and your Safari browser is not loading web pages, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So now to do that, you have to simply open your settings here, and here very first you have to check your network connection that you have a stable and strongest network connection. You can also try to enable and disable the airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings. And after that, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you haven't any connected VPN. If you find any connected VPN, try to disconnect, then go for software update and try to update your software. If you find any pending software updates, trying to update the software update, and after that, if you're still facing the same issue, open screen time settings, go over content and privacy restrictions, or you can directly disable all the restrictions from here. If you don't want to disable all restrictions, you just have to select App Store, Media, Web, and Games, then select Web Content. Now from here, you just have to select Unrestricted, because whenever you have selected these two options, it will restrict most of the websites. So you have to select unrestricted from here, and once you have selected unrestricted, if there will be any restrictions on any web page, it will be fixed in the step. And after doing that, if you're still facing the same issue, open apps section, and from here you just have to go for Safari and then select clear history and website data, and then select clear history option. It will clear all the history and website data. If there will be any junk in your Safari browser, it will be fixed in this step. So after that, you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So here you can see that my issue has been fixed. My iPhone browser is working properly. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.